much space left for any development. The right hand side, you see, is the GMC, then GMC quarters, then the mental, and then the government. So where the place left for development. And similar thing is the Kurka side. So now, therefore, he asked whether we want to maintain the old ODP. Old ODP includes whole village of Bambolis, whole village Kurka, whole village town. We said we don't want it. So, but he is saying that he wants a plateau for development. So we said whatever you include in the PD, you delete it. This was our request. But he said, then he said you go back and you study and come back. In fact, we have studied all these things. We have studied, but he is saying that he wants that to some extent plateau has to be there for development. And I don't know what kind of development will be there on the plateau. I don't think any area left for development, in particular in the village, Molimet Kurka and all.
Even stand same will be
100% deletion.
Yes, 100% deletion, because with the reason we said why we don't want it. With the reason we said no. But he's saying also that this development is required, therefore he is insisting on that. Now it is up to the people and the minister. The minister, if he calls us, definitely we will go.
conclude on broad parameters of what we agree on. When that doesn't happen, then there is no, the whole exercise becomes an exercise in futility.
Which panchayat is held?
Only Kurka.
Kurka Bamboli mein.
The PDA area notified us.
So it will continue then.
The whole exercise, that is, understand this very clearly. The whole exercise that is being conducted is to curtail the planning area that has been notified. It is not, nobody wants to expand it. What we believe is it has to be curtailed. Now Taligaon is already planning area. Coming from Taligaon to GMC, you are driving through University. You come to Shama Prasad Mukherjee and then go to near GMC. Their stand was everything on the right. On the right, means which is heading towards Aldea Goa.
Which side?
This should not be in planning area. I agreed to that.
From now onwards.
I agreed to that. I said, okay, chalo, we have nothing. We just take the road and a little bit to the side of this, which is not equivalent to any development, but nothing. Then we come in the front, but we are not able to concede. We are not able to agree on anything. Even after the last demand that came is that go as per 1993 ODP.
Okay.
In 1993 ODP, it so happens that all these villages are already in the planning area. Actually, what we were trying to do is remove them from the planning area. But they seem to be confused. They are not able to reach a conclusion. So it is mitigating confused.
What is their demand?
Tanka Poili, they are going on the latest Gram Sabha. Gram Sabha resolution is that the area. Subsequently, they are saying for a 1993 ODP hati dohli. ती ODP दोहरल्यार सगळे गांव येतात. ते तांकां दाखयले आमी प्लॅन, सर्टिफायड plans which have been shown by magnifying it on the screen. So मागीर they are unable to reach a conclusion.
So the next parada update.
After that, see, it is inconclusive. Members were there, they will also express their
No, but finally, what option remains in front of you then?
option is whatever is notified. If we can't reach a conclusion, then we cannot decide. Then
So-
it remains.
So
Whatever has been
our
notified.
villages agree for that?
No, what is that? We are not able to reach any agreement. After 3 hours of talks, 2 hours, 2.5 hours of talks, we actually have discussed everything. Most of their demands were almost on the verge of being considered. But then their point is that GMC is the sewerage treatment plant of GMC has failed. So they believe that any development on the plateau is going to fail. It's going to have sewerage coming down into the village. Now I told them if the GMC sewerage treatment plant is failed, it is because of the failure of the treatment plant, not because of the failure of the principle that plateau development should happen. But they are not able to consider. They are saying that biomedical waste from GMC is being thrown there. I said there has to be some sort of a treatment facility for the biomedical waste. Now because it is not being treated, to say that planning area naka, how we come to anything? We are basic tenet or principle is one, that wherever there is a plateau, it is meant to be a receiving zone for TDR. This is the basic principle. Now, that plateau which ends into the sea, let us say is quite sensitive, so should not be included. I agree to that even. But if you say that now actually there is nothing in that plateau. That plateau is GMC. After on this side is defense. On that side is that Gujarat complex. So where is there a scope for private development? There is no scope absolutely. But even though that scope is not there, as a matter of principle, that has to be the planning area because it is a plateau. If you defeat the concept of the actual principle of planning, then the entire exercise is futile. The whole exercise today was to curtail the planning area. We have not been able to conclude on our discussions today. Therefore, everything as is remains until it is removed. So the removal exercise was not completed because we are not able to agree on it. My demand has been come with specific survey number. All survey number nakha. What is the stand of the department? Zayo nakha. Duriya nakha drop karo. So when you make a broad statement, amka savalent nakha. Then कशें फुडें वचप?
So can it happen?
No. Last time आमी कशें केलें? जे गांव आमी डिसायड केलें नाका म्हणून. There was specific thing की हो सर्वे नंबर आमकां नाका. मागीर तेजें डिस्कशन जालें कट केलें. हांगा if broadly the whole exercise can't be completed. It is also true that the village is bigger than last time the village is. So therefore it is not very easy to say all these survey numbers very easily. Maybe it requires some more study. But if the villagers are interested to talk, then only we can talk. They are not interested to talk, then we can do nothing about it.
Is entire
सगळं प्रिन्सिपल तरी दवरचो पडलो की रस्त्याच्या सायडीन जो प्लेटो आहा ती प्लॅनिंग एरिया जातली हो प्रिन्सिपल हो प्रिन्सिपल
अनेक फावट मिनिस्टरांका रिक्वेस्ट करता अनेक फावट मिटींग आपोवची कित्याक मातशें कन्फ्यूज जालेलें 90% सुमार मिनिस्टरान एग्री जाला डिलीट करपाक मातशे मेंबर्स सगळे कन्फ्यूज जालेले अनेक फावट हांव मिनिस्टर मिनिस्टर केन्ना आपयता तेन्ना
तांकां कितलो टायम जाय पडटलो लोकांक
ना ते केन्ना हांव रेडी करताले अलावली पार्ट पळय आसा न्हू तो आमी मिनिस्टराक सांगलो डिलीट करता थिंग ते आमकां सारकें क्लियर कट मेळना ताका लागून सगळें कन्फ्यूज जाल्ले
बाकी विलेज बिल्डींग आसले
ना ना बाकी विलेज सगळे काडटा म्हणल्यार
आयज आमकां मिटींग आपयलेली आनी टू डिस्कशन ऑफ पीडीएक लागून सो आमी आमचें डिस्कशन केलां पूण फायनलायज अजुनूय जावना कित्याक ते मिनिस्टर म्हणटा कितें प्लॅटूज बीन इन्क्लूड करूंक सोदतात सो हाचेर आमचे मेंबर्स आमचे रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह हाडले ते अग्री जावना सो विल मे बी नेक्स्ट विका आमी आमचो एमएलएन तशें म्हटलां मिटींग घेतलेली आनी फायनलायज करतली सो हाचेर आमचें अजुनूय फायनलायज जावना सो लेट हिम टेक मिटींग एंड वील सी
तो मिनिस्टर म्हणटा जो प्लॅट्यू आहा थंय कुजिरा बिजर सगळो प्रोजेक्ट तो पीडीएन येवपाकूच जाय म्हणटा
तो म्हणटा फुडें आमचे ग्रामसभे ऑलरेडी डिसिजन जालेलें आहा आमकां इल्लोसो पार्ट
गो बॅक टू ग्रामसभा
3 टायम्स आमी ग्रामसभा घेतल्या न्हू ऑलरेडी आनी ते लोकांनी सांगलां आमचे कितेंच इन्क्लूड करचें न्हू
फूल विलेज इन्क्लूड करची
खंयचेच लिटल पार्ट पासून इन्क्लूड करचो म्हणून लोकांनी ऑलरेडी सांगलां तेंचें डिसिजन लोकांचें एकूच आहा न्हू टू ओपोज पीडीए सो आमी ते ऑलरेडी मिनिस्टरा कडेन आमी उलयले तशें
केन्ना आसा ग्रामसभा
नेक्स्ट वील बी इन एप्रील
तुम्ही ओल्ड पीडीए जाता म्हटलें की 1993
93 प्लॅन इम्प्लिमेंट
Plan.
करा ओडीपी 1993 ओडीपी तुम्ही म्हणटा इम्प्लिमेंट करा
No. Sorry. We never said. It was minister's suggestion that there is already ODP in 1993. And he asked me whether you are agreeing with that. We said no, we are not agreeing with that. But we see that what now today minister want to omit, for example, in the village Bamboli, we said entire thing is going to omit it, except what is there on the plateau. He wants to say, but he is not saying that from the highway up to how many inches. If we see the Bamboli village, if you go from the Donapau immediately after the highway, it is sloping. There cannot be further more development. And if you see after the GMC, there cannot be further development. It is very slow, and then down the field, down there the fields. So there cannot be any development.